Do you know which process takes place while converting milk into yogurt? It's fermentation. Now, what is fermentation? It's a process, that is, you can say, fermentation is a chemical process in which one type of carbon compound is converted into other type of carbon compound by action of useful microorganisms. Organisms. Now let's see how. Now while milk is converted into yogurt, milk is one type of carbon compound, okay, and it is converted into yogurt, which is other type of carbon compound. Who is converting it into yogurt? Useful microorganisms. So this is fermentation process. And during fermentation, what happens? Heat is evolved and carbon dioxide is also evolved. If you have seen idli batter before fermentation and after fermentation, the volume of idli batter before fermentation is less, but after fermentation the volume of idli batter rises. Why? Because after the fermentation takes place, carbon dioxide is evolved and this carbon dioxide increases the volume of the dough. Similarly, while making breads, you can see small holes in the bread. Okay, why are these holes formed? Because of carbon dioxide, and when the bread is baked, this carbon dioxide is released out, but the space is still there. So the volume of the bread also increases because of carbon dioxide evolved during fermentation. So fermentation takes place not only while making bread or yogurt or idli, but it also takes place while making alcohol. Alcohol is made by the fermentation process out of grains or fruits, and that also involves useful bacteria. Okay, then antibiotics. So fourth point we can write, useful microorganisms helps in fermentation process which is used to make milk products from milk, to make alcohol, or to make idlis, dosas, etc., to make bread, alcohol, also acids like citric acid, lactic acid, like citric acid, lactic acid, etc. Okay. Children, sometimes when you were ill, doctor must have prescribed you with capsules or injections containing antibiotics like penicillin or amoxicillin. Antibiotics destroy the pathogens. Pathogens are disease-causing microorganisms. So antibiotics destroy these pathogens which have entered into our body. Also, it stops the growth of pathogens. Thus, it helps you to get cure against those diseases by destroying the pathogens as well as retarding the growth of pathogens. Before, diseases like cholera, typhoid, tuberculosis were considered incurable. But now, because of antibiotics, these diseases can be cured very easily. Sometimes even animals are given antibiotics to cure various diseases by mixing these antibiotics into their food. Also, plants are given antibiotics to protect themselves from various diseases. So we can write useful microorganisms are used to prepare antibiotics. Which help us other animals and plants to cure various diseases. I hope this is clear to you. So now, dear students, it's time for assignment. Complete this assignment in your science notebook, and if at all you face any difficulty, watch the video again. So that's all for today, dear students. Hope you have understood everything. So see you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling, keep learning. Thank you so much.